Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom Wallet. Let's dive right in. So as we both know, these are pretty popular crypto trading apps. Now unfortunately, these apps have their drawbacks. I hate to be the one to say this, but it simply cannot be done. It is not possible to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom Wallet directly. Unfortunately, it does not come with this feature. However, there is a very roundabout way of doing this process. Unfortunately, it is very expensive, not feasible, and it is very much a hassle. What this option looks like is you can transfer your USDT to Binance, and from there you can transfer it to LTC in Binance, and from there you can convert your LTC to USDC or Solana and then to Phantom. As in, this is a very roundabout way of getting the process done, but for those who wish to do it directly, unfortunately, this process is just not possible. Thanks for watching.